Hello and welcome. I am Tutor Nathan, and as always your personal virtual English tutor, and I hope you are having a great day. In this video we will be looking at habits, what they are, and some common uses of habits in the English language. A link to this page with some free downloadable content will be in the description below. Would you like to say hello, Queen?
Hello everyone out there, I hope you are having a wonderful day today. Oh, we get to see what you look like today, Tutor Nathan.
Yes, I decided to let the viewers out there see me, and I hope I don't scare anyone away. Queen, do you know what habits are?
Aren't they something you do all the time?
You are kind of correct, Your Highness. A habit is something you do regularly, and they can be good or bad. There are also certain words you can use, which we will find out what they are. Are you ready to find out what they are?
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, I am ready. First off, as I mentioned before, a habit is something that you do regularly, and there are four main clauses or phrases that we use with habits. One is used to, the second one is be used to, the third one is get, and the last one is would. When we use used to, we mean past habits that we no longer do or participate in, like in this sentence, we used to play games, but not anymore. We can see in the sentence they played games together sometime in the past, but not in the present. In the second phrase be used to, we can see that things or activities that were not normal for us in the past are now considered normal. Take this sentence for example, I am used to driving in traffic like this now, it doesn't bother me anymore. We can see that the person wasn't used to driving in traffic but has gotten better at it. Are you following along, Queen?
Yes, I am, and it is very fascinating, keep going.
The third way we can form a habit in English is by using get. We use this often with used to with get. This is used to talk about things going from not being normal to being normal, like in this sentence. When I moved to a different country I was scared, but I got used to it. The person in the sentence had to get over their fears and live normally in a different country. And lastly, we use would to talk about repeated actions in the past, and we form it by using would plus an infinitive. In this sentence, I would go to the cinema every Saturday night, but not anymore. The person had a habit of going to a cinema on a certain day, but doesn't anymore. That is all I can think of about habits. Do you have any questions, Queen?
No, I don't, and that was certainly interesting about habits.
If you made it to the end, thank you, and I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, please tap the like button and share it with your friends, and if you are not subscribed, please consider doing so. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Say goodbye, Your Highness.
I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.